Good evening. Am I audible?
Yes, hi ma'am.
Okay,
Good evening.
hi. Okay, my name is Shreyashi from Clapingo. Could you please introduce yourself a little bit?
Yeah, my name is Rakesh Upadhyay, and originally I am from Uttarakhand, and now I'm in Delhi. So it has been 6 years to here, and now I'm also working too.
All right, that's nice. So, how long have you been here on Clapingo?
Yeah, it has been 1 month, and I have taken like more than 20 session to here.
All right. So, how
Yeah,
has your journey been here? What was the purpose of joining Clapingo, firstly?
yeah, I'm working in IT recruitment.
Okay.
So for that, I like daily basis. I need to interact with the client, and so
Hmm.
for that I need a good communication skills. So yeah, I thought I Clapingo is very good, and where we can discuss one to one. So that is the reasons I joined. Yeah,
That's nice. Yeah.
that
So, do you see improvement in yourself now?
yeah, I have seen little bit uh, different, like as per my first video. When I saw my first video in this, I have done this same thing with I had done with Aditya sir. So
Okay.
at times I'm fumbling a lot of times, or
All right.
I'm
Yeah.
not able to express my thought. But now it's fine for me. I can express my thought very easily. So it's good here. I got lot of things from here too.
Yeah. Yeah.
And if
That's
there is one more thing, I'm getting a lot of motivations from here because consistency is also there, right?
yeah.
You
Yeah.
need
Yeah.
to follow the consistency if you are following same routine. So yeah, it's
Yeah.
great.
That's great.
Yeah.
So that's nice. So do you usually follow the session materials that are given here?
Yeah, I follow because
Okay.
there is some topic so we can discuss over there. Uh,
Yeah, true.
and
All
where are you
right. So
from?
I am from Guwahati. Do you know Guwahati?
Yes, Guwahati. Yeah.
Yeah, from Assam. I'm from there.
Okay.
Okay. So today's topic is a bit different. It's called paranormal activities. Firstly, what do you understand by paranormal activities? Do you know anything about it?
Yeah. Paranormal activity, it means related to ghost, we can say.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah. So if something is going on in our like it's called paranormal normal something like related to ghost only, we
Okay.
can say.
Yeah. Yeah. So have you ever experienced anything paranormal?
Yeah, it's no, I haven't, but I have heard a lot of time from my village persons because I'm from Uttarakhand,
Yeah.
and we believe so much related to ghost. But
Got it.
but if I'm talk about me,
Yeah.
I'm very confused in this things. Sometimes I feel uh, yeah, ghost is there, and
Yeah.
sometimes I feel no, it, like if I talk practically, then
Yeah.
I think there is nothing. But yeah,
Correct.
when I follow my culture, or when I talk to my grandparents and my village persons, so they told me about something that times, yeah, I afraid related to
Yeah.
ghost also.
Yeah. That time you feel afraid. Yeah.
Yes,
You feel
it's
like
bit tough
okay.
to accept.
Yeah, because their stories are very convincing. They'll say things
Yes,
like that. Yeah.
yes,
So can
ma'am.
you narrate any story that if you remember?
Yeah, I have heard lot of story in my village, we can say.
Yeah.
When I go to my like neighbor, and in neighbors, like grandfather, grandmother, something like that, they told me about this thing. They said to me when I was 22 or 23-year old, I go to, I used to go in like there are some areas like
Yeah.
in village there are a lot of jungle.
Got it.
They gone through the dead forest. So
Yeah.
they talk about these things, like we saw these things, and and we saw like red women's, or he weared like white, like that.
He
So
wore.
she wore, yeah, she wore white sari, we can say.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are a lot of story in my village, and mm, and sometimes they also told me, they also tell me, the ghost is also helped us to reach
Helped
my
us.
home. Yeah, helped
Okay.
us to reaching their home. There are bad
Hmm.
ghosts and there are
Good ghost.
good ghosts also.
Good spirits.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. They
Hmm.
told many things, because in Uttarakhand, if you talk about Uttarakhand people, they all peoples believe in ghost, because
Yeah.
every year we went to, we go to our hometowns for
Yeah.
only this thing.
Got it.
Yeah, we want to far away ghosts from us.
Yeah. You want to
Every year.
keep. You
Ah,
want to stay. You want to keep the ghost far. So for that,
yes,
you
yes.
also do a lot of pujas and like
Yeah, yeah, yeah. Yes, yes,
activities
yes.
like that. So yeah,
Yeah,
that's
only for
pretty
that I go
common.
to. Yes.
Yeah. In fact,
If,
people from these mountain areas have a lot of experiences also. A
yeah,
lot of people, if you hear from Uttarakhand or Himachal, they'll say a lot of these stories that are pretty convincing. That'll make you believe that, oh yeah, ghosts do exist.
yes, yes.
Especially if they're going on a road in a car at night. These stories are so common. Every other
Yeah.
person has something to say about it. Hmm.
Yeah, it's good for us. Like at least we get chance to go over Uttarakhand, because
Hmm.
all peoples have migrate from there in Delhi, or they comes
Yeah.
in city side. But now, at least for a year, they are going for these regions for puja, like that.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
maybe their family can join, and that's occasions we can say.
Yeah.
So it's good for us and good for kids also.
Hmm.
Maybe
Got
they are
it. Got
getting a chance.
it.
But if I talk about practically,
Yeah.
when I think seriously, uh, because there are, if it is human, so like there are like shadow of human also, right? If
Yeah.
now we are living and we are a human now, but when we die, so our soul will remain here.
Yeah.
So it's not like that he will harm us, but we can say, if we are a human, so now we are like we do have all senses now, right? We can see everything, but after dying we can't see anything.
Yeah.
So we are leaving ghost, and after that, when we die, our we died ghost, then we can say
Mm-hmm. True,
ghost
true.
form.
Yeah. Okay. So yeah, you do believe that yeah, it's a very religious thing also that
Hmm.
the soul never dies. It's the soul that leaves the body. The body is dead. Yeah, true. So what
Yeah.
do you believe? Do you believe in afterlife? Do you feel that after after this life also there's another life?
No, I don't think so,
Okay.
because we are not like that much thing like we can think about after this life. We are just
Hmm.
human. There are a lot of other uh, other what we can say, humans, or other uh, animals, or all jeev jantu, we can
Yeah.
say.
Yeah.
What is called in jeev jantu, I forgetting.
The other animals are other species animals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there are a lot of things. So how we can expect ki after dying we will go in other things. So
Yeah.
it's natural. I don't think so about it,
Hmm.
but I can't say anything because I don't have personal experience regarding this thing.
Yeah. No proof.
Yes.
Okay. So okay, that's nice. So, but what is the best part about Uttarakhand?
Uttarakhand. Okay,
Yeah.
best part. Everything is good there. It's
Yeah.
called uh, uh, Devbhumi, we can say.
Yeah.
I think,
Yeah.
yeah. So there are a lot of temple, and it, I think you must have heard about Kedarnath,
Yeah.
Badrinath, Haridwar,
Yeah.
Rishikesh, Nainital. So there are so many. historical place, and like very good temples there. And yeah, so the Uttarakhand is more famous for religions, like good
Yeah,
good
religious places. Yeah.
religious places. Yeah,
All right. Yeah. So which one has been your favorite? I'm sure you must have visited most of them.
I have visited all the places too. I
Yeah. Which
have
one do you like
explored.
the most?
I like recently I went to Kedarnath, so I like that one. Have you heard about Kedarnath?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, yeah. So I went to Kedarnath last not like 6 months back.
Okay.
So yeah, I liked a lot. I like a lot now. It's too good. Like it's there is a hiking of 25 kilometer.
Okay. Hmm.
Yeah, so you need to go by foot, not there is no any conveyance like that.
Hmm.
Yeah, so it's too much trekking there. I have
Yeah.
done this thing, so it's good.
There's also other sports like bungee and like rappelling and all of that.
No, no, there is nothing for Kedarnath. There is nothing, but yeah, if you go in other like a Vaishno Devi or something like that, so
Okay.
there
There.
is some facility. Yeah, but in Kedarnath there is nothing because it's too high, na.
Okay.
If
Yeah. Yeah.
it's
Yeah.
trekking a lot, there is a lot of risk. If you
Got
will
it.
go like this.
Yeah.
Yes,
You might die.
yes.
Yeah. All right. So, do you know anybody that suffered during the cloudburst that happened in Kedarnath years back? The flood, the flash flood.
Yeah, it's happening every time in Uttarakhand. I
Yeah, it
don't know.
happens. Yeah, it happens
Yeah,
every
yeah,
time.
yeah, yeah. Because there are a lot of mountain and hill, and so landslide is very natural things there.
Yeah,
Uh, yeah, I afraid a lot. If you talk about Kedarnath, so there are so like
yeah.
big chances for this thing like landslide like that. Yeah, I afraid also. And recently in Kedarnath, I think you heard the news in 2013, I
Yeah,
think.
13. Yeah.
Yeah, yeah. So it's too big, we can say,
Yeah, it was a very big disaster, natural disaster.
yeah,
Yeah.
yes, 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 yes. Recently in also in Josimat.
Okay. Yeah.
Yeah, it's happening same there in Josimat also. But
All
it
right.
is natural for Uttarakhand now.
Mm.
Every yeah, we
Yeah.
need to secure and we need to uh, prepare like we
Yeah.
need to
Yeah.
be already prepared for these things. If
Yeah.
we
Correct.
are not prepared, so
Mm.
maybe there is some chances to like injured or something.
Get injured. Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, so I think you have to just brush up your tenses a little bit. I feel like, just like right now you mentioned that it is happening in Josimat. It is not happening. It has already happened in the past. So you have to say recently it happened, not happening. Happening
Yeah, yeah.
means something which is happening right now. So
Mhm.
that's it has happened in the past. So you have to read a little bit about the rules of tenses, the present, future, past tense, and
Yeah.
also practice a few exercises. After reading the rules and reading the examples, you'll find everything on Google. So practice a few exercises, so that will help you.
Hmm.
Also a few, like, sentence construction, like you're saying again and again, I afraid. It's not I afraid, I am afraid of,
Yeah,
like,
I am
whatever, okay,
right,
height
right.
or something. Yeah. So these kind of small things, which can it because I know the correct English, it I can hear it that it's wrong, it is sounding odd to me. So yeah, like those kind of little things. So maybe you should read a little more,
Hmm.
maybe two articles every day from any newspaper or any book. Maybe just read one chapter and just see how sentences are constructed and how it is written. But yeah, for now, tenses, you can work on your tenses and your sentence constructions. Yeah.
Right, right.
All right.
Okay.
Anything else?
Yeah, nothing else. But I just want to know, like, I have attended so many sessions here too.
Yeah.
So I just want to know, like, how we can work on our conjunctions, prepositions, or like how we can like make like how we can get to know about our conjunction or preposition. Because I search on YouTube, I'm not getting that much. It is just no normal basic conjunction is there. So
I think
any
not YouTube videos. You should buy a book or use Google because you should read things out. You know, like that would be good. You can you can buy a grammar book maybe. That will be helpful.
okay.
Hmm. That is something I would say.
Yeah, yeah, that's it. That's it, ma'am. Nothing else.
Yeah, yeah. Ren and Martin is a good book to buy. Wait, I'll just write it down. You see,
Sorry.
Ren
Okay.
and Martin. That is something you can buy.
Brennan and Martin. Okay, sure.
Yeah. All right. Okay then. See you.
Yeah, yeah. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.